Hello, everyone. So some pharmacists are confused about international criminal history check. Okay, so I will just mention over here that international criminal history check is the first step when you want to apply for the AHPRA registration as a pharmacist. Okay, so first you will apply for the international criminal history check. Okay, and you will pay some fee, and then after 1 or 2 days, they will send you that reference number. Okay, international criminal history check reference number. So you will write that reference number in the AHPRA 60 form. So you will write international criminal history check in the Google ICHC. Click on the first link. Okay, and then you can create an account on this website. Okay, like this. So you will first click on this AIS International. Okay, when you click on this, so now you will click on begin application. Okay, so I have read and accept the terms and conditions, so begin my application. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, so your personal details needed. Okay, middle name, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth. Okay, email address, gender, and mobile number. Okay, and verification. So yeah, when you will enter these all details, okay, so you will submit this form. Okay, and after that there will be another form which will be also very easy, and you will pay the fee. So this is the whole process, that how you will apply for the international criminal history check. Okay, thank you so much. If still you have any question, so you can write in the comment section and I will guide you.